Hi everybody, this is Fred today. Just a rainy day today, just working on a few little projects. Oh, there's a musical organ. I'm gonna put a speaker in that. This is Fred today. What I'm doing, just in my room a little bit. Yeah, I found me some shells. Yep, found me some little supply of shells. But what I'm doing today over here is I'm going to put a little model car together. See if I can put one together. I got the pieces and the parts here. And yeah, I got some good chrome parts. What I'm going to do is put a model car together. Instructions and the tires in there. That's what I'm going to do today. Yeah, a rainy day and just put me a model car together, I guess. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea today. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.